So, what's older than a dinosaur and literally glows in the dark? In this explainer, we're going to peel back the layers on scorpions. We're going to move past that spooky, intimidating reputation to find out what really makes these ancient survivors tick. Yep, you guessed it, the scorpion. And trust me, being a living fossil is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to their secrets. To really get a sense of how ancient these guys are, just look at this timeline. Scorpions were crawling around on land 435 million years ago. That's what, nearly 200 million years before the first dinosaurs even showed up. It's just mind blowing. Alright, here's our game plan for today. We'll kick things off with what makes a scorpion. Then we'll do a little world tour to see where they live, peek into their life cycle, see how they hunt, and then wrap it all up with some seriously cool facts. Alright, first up, let's break down what a scorpion actually is. Okay, so the most important thing to get straight right off the bat, scorpions are not insects. Nope, they're arachnids. That makes them cousins with spiders and ticks, and their whole body plan is totally different. And you can see the big differences right here. See? An arachnid, or scorpion, has 8 legs and 2 main body parts. Your average insect has 6 legs, 3 body parts, and those wiggly antennae that scorpions just don't have. Next question, where on Earth do these incredibly tough creatures actually live? Let's find out. Get ready for this number, because it is wild. We're talking about more than 2,500 different species of scorpions that we know of. And the crazy part is, scientists are still finding new ones. And yeah, they're pretty much the ultimate world travelers. They've set up shop in almost every environment you can think of. Hot deserts, steamy rainforests, even way up in the mountains. The only continent they haven't conquered? Antarctica. A bit too chilly for them, I guess. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Let's talk about the scorpion life cycle because, well, it's probably not what you'd expect. Forget flowers and chocolate. Scorpion romance is all about this intricate dance called the promenade à deux. The male and female literally grab each other's pincers and just dance, sometimes for hours, all while he's looking for the perfect spot to, well, leave a sperm packet for her to pick out. And get this, another huge surprise. Scorpions don't lay eggs. They give live birth. The little babies, which are called scorplings, how cute is that? They crawl right onto their mom's back. She becomes this walking armored nursery, protecting them until they're big enough to go it alone. And we are not talking small families here. A single mom can have a brood of over 100 scorpions. And these creatures are in it for the long haul. Some can live for up to 25 years. That's practically ancient for an arachnid. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about how these guys actually live and hunt, and I should probably say tonight because most of them are nocturnal. So, if you're picturing a scorpion society with a king or queen, think again. These guys are the ultimate loners. They're solitary, they're territorial, and they do not play well with others. No groups, no leaders, it's every scorpion for itself. So what's on the menu? Well, pretty much anything they can get their pincers on. They are not picky. Insects, spiders, other scorpions, even small lizards or mice if they're feeling ambitious. The pincers are for the small stuff, but that stinger, that's saved for the big game. But, it's a tough world out there. Even with all that armor and a venomous tail, the hunter can easily become the hunted, and scorpions have a lot of things to worry about. And wow, what a list it is. You've got meerkats, mongooses, owls, bats, lizards, even tarantulas will go after them. It just goes to show you, there's always a bigger fish. Or a bigger mongoose, I guess. Okay, it's time for the grand finale. Let's hit a rapid fire round of some mind-blowing scorpion facts that are going to make you see them in a whole new light. Fact number 1, they glow in the dark. Seriously, shiny UV light or black light on them and may light up this incredible, eerie blue-green. Why? Well, scientists aren't 100% sure, but it is one of their coolest party tricks, for sure. Fact number 2, talk about extreme survival. Some scorpions can go an entire year without a single bite of food. Their metabolism is so incredibly slow, it's like they can just pause life until a meal comes along. Absolutely amazing. Okay, but what about the big question? How deadly are they? Here's the reality check. Out of all those 2,500 plus species, only about 25, that's roughly 1%, have venom that's actually dangerous to a healthy adult human. so that scary reputation, it's a little overblown. And here's the ultimate twist. That venom, it can kill, or it can save lives. Scientists are actually studying chemicals in scorpion venom to help diagnose and even treat diseases like cancer. How incredible is that? The very thing we fear might actually hold it here. So that really leaves us with one final big question. I mean, these creatures have been perfecting the art of survival for 435 million years. What else can they teach us? It really makes you wonder what other secrets they're hiding. Alright, that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.